nhlomulo eka MaAfrika Dzonga lava nga tikuma va phasiwe eka nyimpi ya le Ukraine khanga kambirhi va fanele va langutana xihlawulambala eka rendzo ro tika ra ku ringeta ku tsemakanya ndzilekane.
We escaped on Saturday, which was the 26th.
No, Friday morning.
Yeah, early morning.
Friday,
we escaped, which
yes.
took us 4 days to travel. 4 days. Even the traveling alone was a problem. Trains were 24 hours. Trains were heavily crowded.
We had no money. We had to hustle for money to try and get taxis to get to the border.
Even taking a taxi was very risky because cars are a target.
Very, very risky. And the racism that we really experienced at the border was so terrible. I think we waited 6 hours in the cold, of temperatures of -3, waiting to get assistance because we felt like our government didn't do enough to communicate to the embassies to let us through.
Labambiri se va hlayisekile endzhaku fika eBudapest eHungary naswona va ta vuya laha kaya ra vuntlhanu.
Our plan now, tomorrow is the 3rd of March, which is our flight. As I said, it's every man for himself. We have to use our own money, credit cards. We have to see what we have to do. Some of
us paid school fees thinking that we're going to continue with school, but there is no university. How can you continue with the school when there's no university?
It's bombed down.
Rubbles.
Varhangeri va le henhla va Russia va vula leswaku va hlasile Ukraine ku yimisa nxungeto wa matlhari ya nuclear.
Western countries must not build military facilities in the territory of former Soviet states. Ukraine still has Soviet technology and we can't fail to respond, and we are committed to our responsibility.
Kambe president wa Ukraine u vula leswaku Moscow va lava ku susa Ukraine exikandzeni xa misava ni le ka matimu.
They don't know a thing about our capital, about our history, but they all have orders to erase our history, erase our country, erase us all.
Russia va xupuriwe hi swikhirho swo hlaya, kambe China va tshikelela leswaku va ta ya emahlweni va endla bindzu na Russia.